Go!
Everybody's got a pot. I want to run the exercise. When the belly comes first and the abs come second, just seconds and a minute and smile. Why are you serious? Thinking you're fast, mysterious. You're gonna run down low and your muscles are tight. You can't get the back to the side. You exercise to the left. You exercise to the right. You do that, we'll do it. It's not about the diet. We don't need your diet. We just wanna make your body dance. Forget about the road.
Mga gato.
It's too bad to be true. Nothing good for you. Isn't good for diet. Say you're healthy. Does it care about that?
Oh, there we are.
And we can live this rest together.
Stretching for forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of muscles, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Move on. Tayo ay mag-move on. Go on. Iwanan ang kahapon. Push up your ups. Don't believe in fallacies. Stop. Dito sa puso ko. Lagi ang panalo. Huwag sana mag-alasing ka. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay di na magbabago. Exercise para leader ang life. Pwede rin sa mga bata. Tayo na, manlangin tayo sa mga bata. Exercise tayo tuwing umaga.